Hey, if you want to check if your Realme C67 is original, you will have to navigate into the settings. Then from here, you will have to scroll down all the way down and select About Device. Now from here, you will have to find the IMEI number. So you will have to navigate basically into the status, find the IMEI number, then copy your IMEI number by clicking and holding, and then you will have to open this website, the official Realme.com website. And you will have to find this warranty status. So the full link of this website it's like this, the realme.com support the warranty status. So input this phrase into your browser, Realme warranty status, and now click on this code, on this search, and you can input your IMEI number or serial number. And now it's actually checking. You will have to perform the verification that you are not any bot. And now we can click to check now. And in my case, there's like no product information found because my phone comes from the European distribution. So if you are using your Realme in India or Indonesia, you can actually check it, but you will have to open the website of your country, so where you actually buy this phone. So yeah, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.